Very happy with the Shopsmith quill feed handle. It's only has 3 positions. The alternative they sell with 10 position and a magnet is nicer, but I'd also like to have the a drill press feed handle with 3 arms, and Shopsmith sells one of them, but the 2 aren't really interchangeable, so I ended up making my own. The major arm is 12 inches long, and it's quick release, comes off like that, has 19 different positions that you can put it on. The 3-arm drill press lever works the same way, also completely removable, 19 positions. You can switch them either side in a second. The only thing I don't like is the color, otherwise it's great. They are made from 2 quick release steering wheel 19 spline hubs that fit a 5/8 inch axle.